And by the way, we have to take much stronger action on migration. We have to strengthen our borders. Uncontrolled migration is changing our societies, and it is our citizens that pays the price. Who can enter and stay in our country? It has to be a democratic decision. Before I pass the floor, there is one thing I want all of you to remember. Back in 2022, when this political family was established, when Russia launched its full-scale invasion in Ukraine, Putin wanted at least three things. He wanted to capture Kyiv, he wanted to overthrow the Ukrainian government, and he wanted to tear Europe apart. Today, after almost 4 years of full-scale war, after spending billions of dollars sacrificing thousands of Russian lives, Putin has not succeeded in any of that. The war is a Russian failure.